Morning, everybody. Mike Niemiec back here with you midweek, Wednesday, March 16th. Overnight trade a little bit easier. We got corn and wheat down around 2 cents, beans down 4 cents, the meal market down $2, and the soybean oil down around 5 points. I'd have to say overall we're still kind of talking range trade for corn, wheat, and soybeans. Wheat and corn kind of rallying back up into the middle of the trading ranges, and that being roughly around $3.50 to $4 in the corn and $4.50 to $5 in the wheat. I thought it was interesting. We were starting off talking out the week on how the Commitment of Treasury report showed that the specs are having larger net short positions than expected. And now for 2 days in a row, we've seen where open interest has come down in both the corn and the wheat, taking us back to the mid-range and finding out that perhaps that was short covering. Also interestingly, we've been seeing now that we're at the top end of the range in the beans around the $9 level. 2 days in a row, we've had increases of open interest. So both longs and shorts are buying at this $9 price level, but still thinking that it's a non-bullish price environment in the fundamentals, that maybe some of these longs that have been recent buyers may be a little susceptible. The one big open interest mover has been the meal and the oil. Huge open interest increases with the meal on the defensive versus the soybean oil. We had the NOPA crush number that came out yesterday. It was larger than what the trade was looking for. But I have to say that even though it would look to be supportive to the soybeans, what are we going to do with this meal and now with this oil that we're producing when we start to run into this competition from South America? So all in all, we're kind of still in this range trade. Nothing really new coming on out today. We'll have our export sales coming on out tomorrow. We'll see how our demand is going as far as weekly sales go. But if anything, if we are working our way in a sideways trading range, more importantly, it'll be at the end of the month when we come out with prospective plantings in our quarterly stocks report. Nothing really going on weather-wise, but obviously that too will become of more importance as we get into U.S. planting growing season. So all in all, range-bound trade, a little bit on the defensive side overnight. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.